Welcome back to AutistiCoder. In this video, we'll take a calm, clear look at the data structures that power your databases. Some, like hash tables, B-plus trees, and linked lists, we'll explore in detail. Others, like arrays, tries, and graphs, we'll just review briefly. If you're curious about how databases actually store and find information, this tutorial will help you understand what's going on behind the scenes. Let's get started. Databases handle huge amounts of information. If they just stored things in a long list, it would take too long to find what you need. That's why they use special data structures, to make things fast and predictable. Here's a quick breakdown of what each data structure does and how it helps your database work. Hash tables help the database find data instantly by using a key, kind of like looking something up in a labeled folder. They're used in caches and indexes. B-plus trees keep big collections of data sorted and easy to search. They're what make your SQL queries so fast. Linked lists make it easy to add or remove things without having to move everything else. They're useful when things change a lot. Arrays let the database grab any item instantly by its position in memory. They're best when your data doesn't change much. Tries are used for storing words by character, perfect for things like autocomplete. And graphs help databases understand connections like who follows who or what products are related. Don't worry if some of these sound new. We'll focus on just a few in this video, and I'll link to other videos for the rest. Let's talk about what we'll actually cover in this video, and what you can check out in other tutorials if you're interested. We'll focus on hash tables, B-plus trees, and linked lists. We won't go into tries, graphs, or arrays, because I already covered those topics in previous videos. So today's focus is on the data structures that are often hidden from developers, but that make your queries work. Hash tables are like labeled cubbies. Each piece of data has a label called a hash, and the database knows exactly where to find it. Most SQL databases use B-trees or B-plus trees to keep data sorted and searchable. They're multi-level tree structures that branch out like balanced decision trees, keeping keys in sorted order. They're efficient for range queries and inserts. B-plus trees store all values in leaf nodes. Unlike arrays, linked lists don't need one big block of memory. That makes them great for insert-heavy operations where order matters. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of what we covered today. We talked about hash tables, which help databases find things quickly by key. We explored B-plus trees, the structure behind sorted indexes and fast range queries. We covered linked lists, which help with insert-heavy or ordered data. We also briefly mentioned tries, graphs, and arrays, which you can learn more about in the linked videos below. This was a lot, but if you stuck with it, I hope you feel more confident in what's happening under the hood of your database. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand the data structures behind your databases a little better. If something wasn't clear or you want to go deeper, leave a comment. I actually read and respond to them. You'll find links to related videos in the description, and if this kind of direct, autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Let's keep learning and growing together.